Good morning! Greeting you guys from my boyfriend's room today. Today we're heading out to a couple of places and I'm very excited to bring you guys along with me because they're gonna be all home related. So we're gonna go see more towels and we're also gonna take a look at some furniture. It is quite early to go look at furniture at this point where we don't even know when our house is coming, but I am very specific and picky, so I just wanted to go take a look at the prices and see what options we have in the market. Also, I think it's good to start early because a lot of furnitures might not be in stock, so I just thought it would be good to start taking a look at, you know, what options we have. Also, this is gonna be a 2 days vlog, so it's gonna be like a weekend vlog because tomorrow we're heading over to my sister's place to have some family time and I want to vlog that as well. Too lazy to style my hair today, so this is what we're going for. Just a little bun. I mean, looking at the weather, I don't think I want to style my hair as well. Today I'm heading to my sister's place, so I want to go for something more casual and natural looking. Hi! So yesterday I think I didn't film any of the furniture shopping portion. I think it is because we spent like a really long time at Hafary. I really wanted to ensure that I'm making the right decision, so I spent a lot of time just staring at the towels. But yeah, I feel like now I am a lot more confident of the towels that we have chosen, so I'm very happy about that. I do think that it was a very successful trip. But yeah, by the time we went to see the furniture, we were very tired, and also we didn't actually get to see a lot of furniture because like we couldn't find the shop, I don't know, and because we were very tired we didn't go to a couple of places that we planned to go as well. So yeah, that's the reason why I didn't film the later part of the day. Today we're gonna go see more furniture. We're heading to the Originals. So yes, I'm taking you guys along with me. I am very excited. They look like they have a lot of really nice stuff that suits our theme, so I can't wait, and I think we're heading out soon, so I do need to wake my boyfriend up so we can go. And then later on we're heading over to my sister's place, so that's gonna be fun. And yeah, that is the plan for today. Also, my hair looks kinda crazy but I do really like how my hair turned out. I feel like on this camera I just can't seem to find like an angle where it could accurately show the color of my hair. I feel like on my iPhone it shows the color a lot better, but like on this camera it just looks kind of yellowy. Yeah, but I really do like how the highlights came out. Like, I love my light hair. Got this really cute like muted green cap. Put on my little gold earrings. my outfit of the day. Premium salami. Breakfast here. One is the smoked rosette salami, which I don't know what it is.
Lovely it is to see the future king with his future queen. I'm
not letting anyone tell me where to go, what to do, and even who to marry. There will never be a king like me.
Simba,
Beware!
well, I've never seen a king like me.